Restaurant owners, if you need $25K to $500K for payroll, inventory, or repairs, this video will show you the exact steps to get approved faster and avoid the runaround. Hey, this is Demetrius. I help business owners understand funding options and how to position their business to get approved. Today, I'm breaking down restaurant funding, what lenders look for, what documents to prepare, and the fastest path to funding. If you want more funding content for business owners, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Now, set expectations. What fast means. Fast funding timelines, 24 to 72 hours versus 1 to 2 weeks. While restaurants can still qualify fast, strong deposits plus clean statements. What slows it down? Overdraft, missing docs, mismatched funding type. What lenders really look at? Monthly revenue plus deposits consistency. Time in business, 6 to 12 months can work in many cases. Bank account health, non-sufficient fees, overdrafts matters. Credit profile, helps but not the only factor. Use of funds, payroll, inventory, repairs is fundable. Funding options for restaurants, simple breakdown. Working capital, short-term funding. Term loans, stronger profiles. Lines of credit, best for ongoing needs. Equipment financing, kitchen equipment, POS. What to choose for payroll versus inventory versus repairs. Your funding file checklist, what to gather. Your last 3 to 6 months bank statements, photo ID plus business docs. Merchant processing statements if you take cards. Lease info plus basic monthly expenses. Vendor invoices, repair estimates helps justify amount. The top reason restaurant owners get denied and fixes: too many overdraft, stabilized 30 days, plus reduced non-sufficient fees. Deposits trending down, show catering events, contract marketing plan. Mixing personal and business, separate accounts, consistent deposit. Exiting stack payments, restructure or right size the request. Taxes behind, create a plan, don't get ignored. How to request the right amount, 25K versus 100K versus 500K. Match requests to deposits and repayment ability. Break down goals into phases, fund now that expand later. Avoid over requesting, it slows underwriting. Now here's some quick examples, realistic scenarios. 25K payroll bridge during slow week. 75K inventory plus vendor restock, 150K repairs, HVAC, kitchen buffer. If you want to see what you qualify between 25K and 500K, comment funding and tell me. Number 1, how long you've been in business, and number 2, your average monthly revenue, or click the link in my description to get started. Restaurant owners, the goal is simple. Get positioned, apply the right way, and get funded. If this helps you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next funding video.